More importantly, he speaks the multiple languages of the markets. He is the master of the intermarket analysis, an author of the book, and is now an independent strategist, basically. He is the founder of Intermarket Strategy, author of Currency Trading and the Intermarket Analysis. And his analysis really extends to a study of how all markets interact, which is going to be fascinating, because I got to tell you, there's just so much interesting stuff happening underneath the surface that nobody's really paying attention to, including me. And I'd love to, get your insight on it, on a couple of things. He's currently, he's been around the market for quite a long time. He's one of the OG FX analysts. He was considered to be one of the best analysts by FX Week. And he's obviously always on media. He's on Bloomberg, CNBC Arabia, FT, BNN, everything. Did you do some media when you were in Saudi?
No, the media work is the stuff of 5 years ago, 6 years ago. Now we're just doing the markets.
I see. Okay. Yes. I actually, I still continue to do media, but I got to tell you, it is a grind sometimes to do it. I totally agree. So I want to just sort of, talk a little bit about our first challenge. And I think there's just this, and maybe bring Ashraf into this thing because of the intermarket analysis. The thing that nobody's talking about right now, our first challenge really has to do with the Fed. Everybody thought the Fed was going to cut rates, inflation was over, blah, 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 blah. And it's all of a sudden everybody's realizing that no, inflationary pressures will still remain. The U.S. economy is booming, whether you like it or not. It's it's popping. As a matter of fact, you hear my alerts going off because equities are starting to rally again.